Yep, hi, my name is Jason. So my age now is 48 years old. Yeah, I'm attached in the real estate industry. So before that, I'm doing trading, export and import. Actually, at that time, I carried too many heavy cartons when we're going to load onto the containers. So it's that at that time, I actually hurt my back spine. So it's very painful, you see. You see, I'm a father. I love my kids. So when I want to carry him, when he's a toddler, there's a hardest part when he was 3 years old. The time I carry him for cannot more than 10 minutes. So I have to put him down like that. So sometimes he fall down. I go to help him out. The time then I will hurt my back. Actually, the very first time is I saw the advertisement from Facebook. Also, I got see some short video clips from the patient who actually taken Stemregen and they start to recover. So one is from the TikTok. He also got the backache. So he hardly sleep, hardly stand, hardly sit for a few years. After taking Stemregen, then he can sleep well, stand for a long time, so it's not so suffering. So this video clips in TikTok give me more confidence on Stemregen. So I try. I can feel more easy from my so my memory start to be more clearer. When I have a meeting with my boss and the director, so I can be more focused. My back now, so the pain actually covered quite a large space of my back in the beginning. But now I just feel some like a tiny dot that not pain already, just like a little bit of tickling like that. 100%. This one 100%. This one have to. No need to waste too much time on all that nonsense, you see. Especially the Chinese acupuncture, the doctor. Crazy one, you know that one.